So let's practice a question. So this says, what is the limiting reactant in a reaction that produces sodium chloride from this many grams of sodium, this many grams of diatomic chlorine? So first we have to look at the balanced chemical equation, which is sodium and chlorine coming together to produce sodium chloride. So this is synthesis or combination. I'm starting off with 8 grams of each of my starting materials, and I want to know who is going to limit. So basically, who's going to act as my bread. To do this, I can't compare bread slices, but I can compare my number of moles, because I can't compare grams. It's just not going to work because of their different masses. So the first thing I'm going to do is convert my grams of sodium to moles of sodium using the molar mass, which is going to give me a value of 0.348 moles. Then I'm going to convert my grams of chlorine to moles of chlorine, and that's going to give me this many moles of chlorine. Now it's not enough to compare moles of sodium to moles of chlorine, because I need to compare, like I did up here, compare how many sandwiches I can make, or basically put them in the same units. They either both have to be in moles of chlorine or both in moles of sodium. So I'm going to pick. And in this case, because I have my moles of sodium right here and I have more space, I'm going to go ahead and convert this from moles of sodium to moles of chlorine using the mole to mole ratio of the balanced chemical equation, which means that this many moles of chlorine is needed to react with that many moles of sodium, and this is how many moles of chlorine I have based on the mass I'm given. So in this case, I can see that I need more than what I have. Need more than I have, which means that my chlorine is my limiting reactant, because I need more of it than what I have, just like I needed more bread than what I had.